Welcome back. Today we're starting a life-changing 7-day hair regrowth challenge using 2 powerful natural ingredients. If you've been struggling with thinning hair, this onion and fresh aloe vera remedy is exactly what you need. We're talking about thicker, stronger, and healthier hair in just 1 week of consistent application. Let's get started. All you need are fresh onions and a real aloe vera leaf. No store-bought gels allowed for this one. The secret is the sulfur in onions. Sulfur is a key component of keratin, the protein that makes up your hair. This sulfur also boosts enzyme production and improves blood circulation, waking up dormant follicles. Aloe vera complements this with vitamins A, C, and E, which contribute to cell turnover and healthy cell growth. It also helps maintain the scalp's pH at an ideal level, creating the perfect environment for new hair growth. Before we start, always do a patch test on your arm to ensure you don't have a sensitivity to onion juice. Safety first. Now, let's get into the kitchen and prepare this potent mixture step by step. Follow along closely. Start by taking 1 medium-sized red onion. Peel off the skin and give it a thorough wash to remove any dirt. Grate the onion finely using a hand grater. You want to create a soft pulp that's very easy to squeeze. Use a fine strainer or cheesecloth to extract the pure juice. We need every drop of that sulfur-rich liquid. Now, measure out exactly 5 tablespoons of the juice. This will be our first core component for the serum. Next, take your fresh aloe vera leaf, wash it well, and carefully trim away the jagged, thorny edges. Slice the leaf down the middle and scoop out the fresh gel. Avoid the yellow sap as it can be irritating. Give the gel a quick blend or whisk it until it's smooth and free of any large lumps for easy application. Just like the onion juice, measure out 5 tablespoons of this fresh aloe gel into your bowl. Now, combine both ingredients in a clean bowl. Stir them well until you have a perfectly consistent mixture. Remember, the equal ratio is key. The aloe vera balances the onion while both work their magic together. For maximum potency, I highly recommend making this mixture fresh for every application. Don't store it. With our hair growth serum ready, let's move on to the application process. This part is just as important. Start by detangling your hair and parting it into small, manageable sections to expose the scalp. Apply the mixture directly to your scalp. Ensure every inch of your roots is well covered with the serum. Now, use your fingertips to massage your scalp for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Be gentle but firm. This massage is crucial. It stimulates blood flow and helps the serum penetrate deeper into the follicles. Leave the treatment on for 30 minutes to an hour before washing it out with a very mild shampoo. If you're worried about the onion smell, an apple cider vinegar rinse after shampooing works wonders. For the next 7 days, perform this routine once every other day for the absolute best results. Support your growth with a protein-rich diet and plenty of hydration. Your hair reflects your inner health. Don't forget to drink plenty of water. Hydration keeps your hair strands strong from the inside out. By day 3, your scalp will feel cleaner and your hair will start to look noticeably shinier and stronger. Consistency is everything in this challenge. Don't skip a session. Your future thick hair will thank you. By day 7, you'll notice a significant difference in the strength and texture of your hair. Keep it up. I can't wait to hear about your results in the comments. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next video.